anything. Oh, mali. Ulit. So I'm about to try the Hypersmooth stability on mountain bike. I know medyo exage yung helmet ko, but I already have mountings na nakaset dito and I don't want to waste yung mga mountings more, and it's ready. So yeah. Okay, so the next toy I'm gonna show you is this 360 sweep mount. It's so fun. So I set up the GoPro right there. Whew, ang init. So the new GoPro has a voice command, so I'm about to try it. GoPro, start recording. Oh, so kailangan naka-on yung GoPro before it can do voice recognition. Pag nag-start siya sa off, I don't think voice recognition can work. So let's try it again. GoPro, stop recording. The new GoPro can capture 240 frames per second. So I'm gonna use the shotgun to target the water. Is not just about surfing. They have this Tangadan Falls where you can trek an hour or 20 minutes. They have two routes. It depends on you if you want to do trekking or just ride the habal-habal and just do the shortcut. But yeah, today I'm on my way to the falls. Ayan. Sabi ng aming tour guide, pag summertime, approximately 1,500 people ang pumupunta dito. So, crowded. But since it's December, walang tao. So, we got to enjoy the view. Ganda pang vlog ng camera, oh. Hi! So, there's the lagoon. That's the last stop for this hiking. And nandito kami sa taas ng Tengadon Falls. Nandiyan kami kanina sa baba. And there's the lagoon. That's the last stop. A very, 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 very easy trek. All flat. Hindi masyadong nakakapagod. Maliban na lang kung may hangover ka. Tulad nito. Pero it's easy. Todo outfit pa ako for my surfing day. Pero hindi pala ako makaka-surf. But yeah, that's it for this vlog. And I hope you guys still like this video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
Number 1.